Hello everyone! Today we're diving into the fascinating world of probability methods. We'll explore probability tables, tree diagrams, systematic listing, and the fundamental counting principles. Let's get started.
Tabular form is a way of organizing the sample points of an experiment using a table. Systematic listing is a way of writing all the possible outcomes of a particular event or experiment. Tree diagram is a diagram that helps calculate the number of possible outcomes of an event or experiment in an organized way. Fundamental counting principle states that if one event can occur in m ways and the second event can occur in n ways and the third thing can occur in p ways and so on, then the sequence of things can be occurred in m, x, n, x, p ways.
Example number 1. Tossing a coin and rolling a die. List all the possible outcomes and determine the total number of outcomes. When a die is rolled and a coin is tossed using the tabular form, tree diagram, systematic listing, and fundamental counting principle. Using the tree diagram, you will find the total number of outcomes. So based on the table, the total number of outcomes is 12. Using systematic listing, the possible outcome of tossing a coin and rolling die using systematic listing are following. S is equal to H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, and H6. T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, and T6. The total number of outcomes is 12, or NS is equal to 12. The tree diagram shows there are 12 possible outcomes in tossing a coin and rolling a die using a fundamental counting principle. Note, a coin has two possible outcomes, the head H and the tail T, while a die has 6 possible outcomes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Using the fundamental principle of counting, multiply the number of all possible outcomes of tossing a coin and number of all possible outcomes of rolling a die. That is 2 times 6 is equal to 12. Therefore, there are 12 possible outcomes in tossing a coin and rolling a die. Fundamental counting principle. Note, primary colors, red, yellow, blue, have 3 possible outcomes, while secondary color, red, blue, yellow, also have 3 possible outcomes. That is, 3 times 3 is equal to 9. Based on the 4 different solutions, tabular form, tree diagram, systematic listing, fundamental counting principle, the number of possible two-tone color that can be made using the primary and secondary color is 9. Remember, the number of occurrences of an outcome in an experiment can be organized and determined by using any of the table, tree diagram, systematic counting, and fundamental counting principle.
Our video comes to a close. Thank you for joining us on this mathematical